Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new task in Google Task. You can easily access Google Tasks as you can see that I'm here. You can go ahead and open up your browser, and once you're in Google, you can easily go ahead and click the Google Apps and you'll find task in the list, and that's how you access Google Task. Now once you're in Google Task, just simply click and add a task here at the top. Here you can go ahead and you can give your task a name, and you can go ahead and give it a title, so forth. Alternatively, you can click on the create on the left hand side, click on create, and you can give it a name. So I can just say create a video, for example, and I can set the time here. So I can say for example on the 15th, and I can change the time and say 7 p.m. for example. It's gonna take me let's say all day, for example, right? You can set the time or you can choose all day. It's really up to you. Then you can say if this is a repeat, we can say it repeats daily, and then I'm gonna just say create a YouTube video, for example, right? Then here is the section where you'll have to add a list, but if you don't have any list, you'll have to create one. So it's just in my task, we'll leave it as that and click and save. It's going to add the task, and this is a task. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.